Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your man Grant coming back at you after like what, a year and a half of being gone. Decided to shoot a video, so I want to show you what I'm carrying as a bag and show you what I'm carrying on my person. So stay tuned. So you see laid out on the table right here, this is what I've been carrying consistently. Like I said, probably for the last year, every day, all the time. Keep it simple with my wallet. It's the same one that I was carrying in my last video, Flint leather. I got that in Waco. I love this wallet. It works fine. Still have the same AirPods that I've had probably for about 3-4 years now. This is the Streamlight Micro Stream. If I can get that to focus. I've been carrying this, I don't know, 5 years maybe. You can go back and check out my videos when I bought this light and my Spyderco together. Spyderco, tenacious. As you can see, it's worn. I've had to sharpen it quite a few times. Did a video on it. I carry my Leatherman Rev all the time, wherever I go. Work, doesn't matter. If I'm going to the store, only time I don't carry is this if I'm wearing gym shorts or something like that, but more than likely I have pants on or shorts. And I carry a neck gaiter for 5.11. I've used this several times to wipe sweat, to clean spills, to wipe off my face and head when it rains on me. All kind of different reasons to use that. So this is what I'm carrying on me all the time. Of course, my phone that I'm filming on. I carry a Glock 43X, which you'll see here in a little bit. It's in here right now. So yeah, let's get into the bag. So this is the 5.11 MOAB 6. I'm not going to tell you about the materials and the zippers and all of that stuff. You can see it as Molly. It's got compartments. If you want a full review on it, I suggest you look up the bag on YouTube. I'm just showing you what I carry in here. So it's kind of a side profile, rear profile, the other side profile, and again, up front. Been carrying this for about 2 months now. Currently, everything that's in it, including my weapon, it's 10 pounds, so it's not that heavy. I don't always leave my weapon in this bag. I always appendix carry it, so that lightens the weight of my bag tremendously when I take it out, and the extra magazine that you'll see. So let me open up this first compartment here, and then we'll keep going. All right, kind of what I have in the first little compartment. My notebook. I don't always take notes, but when I do, I still like to use paper and pen. I got some hot hands and hot feet in here, along with some bug spray, because it's still getting kind of chilly in Texas. As you can see, I've got a Yuko spoon and fork. I got some glow sticks, permanent marker, pen, mechanical pencil, red pen, a highlighter that's kind of like a marker, some wet ones, emergency blanket, and a cheap little Walmart poncho. Down here, I do carry a fixed blade. Y'all have seen this before in several of my videos. I keep that all the way at the bottom. That way I always have a fixed blade on me. All right, let's move on to the next one. There is a concealed spot in this bag. It's right here. I don't use it. I don't put anything in it. I just leave it alone. Next thing is the main compartment of this bag. It will fully open. So here, I've got my Maxpedition pouch. I'll go over that in a little bit. It's my first aid pouch. If you've seen any of my videos, you've seen me crack this thing open. You've seen what's in there. I do keep a candle in here. You never know. Lights might go out. You just might need a candle for something. My little Energizer headlamp. I've been carrying this for years. I've got some heart gloves I got at Walmart. And you can see where I do keep my gun when it's in this bag. So it's there, it's in the holster. I keep the extra magazine. And I also keep a pair of peerless handcuffs, real lightweight. So you don't even notice that. Here, I keep some snacks, different variety of snacks, some snacks that my wife found at Costco, some other snacks that I pick up on that I like. Down here, I got some of those expandable towelettes. And you never know. Bird flu, your mama flu, all kind of flu. Go Tigers. That's all I keep in there. All right, let me button all this up. We'll look at the next one. Before we go further, I did say I'd show you what's in here. So I keep some extra headphones that come with your phone, the Apple charging cord, that charging cord, I don't know what it's called, and then that charging cord. It's my Anchor battery bank. I've got some steel zip ties, got some regular zip ties. In here I keep a little bit of duct tape, and then I keep a large wall box and a smaller wall box. And your random rubber band. So that's my Anchor. I don't remember the milliamps on this thing. And I don't think it'll focus, but whatever. So yeah, that's what I keep in it. Stand by. In the small zipper compartment up top, normally where you would keep glasses and stuff, I keep a variety of just hygiene things, extra contacts, some more lens wipes and things, a little comb for my beard because I'm allowed to have a beard now at work. I like to keep it looking clean. Some more just hygiene things, chapstick, some of those toothbrush things, hand sanitizer. That junk actually smells good. Some working hands. Keep my hands feeling and looking nice. I don't need to have sandpaper hands. Some eye drops for my contacts in case they get dry. Some more stuff so my breath don't stink. Oh, you gotta have the obligatory lighter. Or else, you know, you're doing it wrong. Some nail clippers. And that's it. So all of this fits very well in that little pocket. Very spacious. You notice right on top I got a Gear Aid clip. I think it's a Hero clip. On the actual sling portion, it's got this little pocket that I just keep some random hygiene things, a little thing of Kleenex, and just some other moisture type towelettes and things to clean your glasses with and stuff. Not much in there. And then last but certainly not least is the back pouch that sits across your back or your chest, however you want to, you know, wear this thing. It has zippers on both sides, so you can open it from here, or you can open it here. And here I keep all medical trauma stuff. The reason why I really switched to doing this kind of stuff last year, I don't remember, April, May, me and my buddy were in a pretty good car wreck, and I was carrying that other little bag, the one that I made a video on, the last video I think I made. It just wasn't enough. I didn't have the proper stuff in case, and we could have gotten hurt. So chest seals, tourniquet. Tourniquet number 2. Some more chest seals. Quick clot. Another chest seal. And emergency trauma dressing. And that's all I keep in there. Keep it simple, folks. Is this going to save the world? No, but it may save my life. It may save somebody else's life. And that's the important thing right there. Cat. Get you a cat tourniquet. You don't believe me? Go listen to Prep Medic. Go listen to Sean Ryan. Go listen to Jocko. Go listen to all those guys. They'll tell you why. They're smarter than me. They have more training than I do. So that's it. That's the bag that I've been rocking with. Shout out to 5.11 MOAB 6. I like the bag. It doesn't quite sit as perfect as I'd like on my back, but guess what? I'm a big boy. I can handle it. So I appreciate y'all watching this video, man. I know it's taken a long time for me to make one. I just haven't been motivated. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll get back into the habit. But if you like this kind of stuff, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Again, 249 Grant, and I'm out of here.